M48 Tomahawk.
Are you on it?
Yeah, I'm on it. Chopping a small tree down like the commercials on budk.com. His hand's wearing out.
Alright, I'm a little wore out. Pause it. I've done one.
Done this and then watch out.
It's gonna go there.
He wore slap out.
Boy, want me to chop it the rest of the way down?
M48 Tomahawk. There it goes. Damn, he did less than 2.5 minutes. How's that, Robert? That is awesome. That is an awesome tomahawk.
That's what I'm talking about.
How long did it take you to get it?
Less than 2 minutes.
Less than 2 minutes.
Hell, and I stood there for 30 seconds.
Yeah, breathing real hard. I'm gonna stop.